What up, y'all? Back at it again with another video. So we're in a completely different location. We got Joseph up over there. Shout out to, what is it?
Gotcha, bitch!
MJM Motors LLC here in where we at right now? Linwood? Yeah. Linwood? Yeah, so Joseph just bought a new whip, you know what I'm saying? Very proud of him. We got him all signed up and everything. So this is a 2016 GMC Acadia, but I mean, so far it's a pretty sick whip. And we looking here at the interior. We got no poverty buttons, you know what I'm saying? So it's pretty sick. He's got what you doing? Oh, you pumping the brakes?
I'm testing my positions.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so you know, as we're waiting here, I decided to just quickly make this video really quickly about what's going on with the Porsche. What's the updates? You know, what's popping over here? Let me actually just hop in the whip since we're getting ready to head out. But yeah. So here's the update. We're not getting the Porsche back until, I'm gonna say the ETA on that is probably like a couple weeks from now, to be honest. I would say about another month, hopefully, maybe sooner, hopefully sooner. But yeah, so I dropped it off on October 1st. Because the engine was just, something's wrong with it. October 1st, expected it, you know, to come out pretty quickly, like 2 weeks after. And so October 1st, then October 22nd hit, and car's still in the shop. And then I messaged him back on the 2nd of November, I believe, or 3rd, I forgot when. But I messaged him back saying, hey, what's going on? And so, you know, when I bought the vehicle, it came with like extended warranties. And so basically the Porsche dealership has to talk to the extended warranty places. And so they're still going back and forth with that because they have to have an inspector come out, basically. So yeah, that's what we're waiting on. It's got a sunroof. Not no moonroof, but it's a sunroof, you know what I'm saying?
Double sunroof.
Bruh. Yeah, bro. Yeah. So right now we're here in this car, and let's get his audio set up before you start heading. You did?
I got my shit all set.
Yeah? Let's go back home, dude. I wonder if we have like a vehicle options here.
There is.
I'm gonna bump up the bass hella.
Bro, I can hit it.
It's crazy. Look,
I'm
homie's
not
got a
gonna
backup
hit it.
cam.
Do you have a backup?
This is such a tiny ass gate.
I know.
How the fuck?
It's
This
so
is actually
small.
insane.
Yeah, I know.
Dude.
Scary to drive through. I'm gonna make it.
But yeah, shout out to MJM Motors. That was pretty nice.
I'm gonna need you to put in a gas station, brother.
Oh, you need a GPS?
Yeah.
Alrighty, so looks like we're gonna have to go off by memory. We're gonna have to take a right
By
here.
memory?
Yeah, take a right. This is pretty easy. I know my way around. We're in Linwood, correct?
Yeah, but we got these dangerous ass arterial fucking hills and shit that you can't see.
Okay, so let's take a left.
Yeah, I know where the gas station is.
Oh, perfect. See, you didn't need GPS.
Oh. I just got the damn thing. I'm not about to wreck it.
He's gonna wreck it, guys.
No, I'm not.
So
Just get gas.
don't get gas. Don't get gas.
Don't get gas.
Don't
in
get gas.
Spirit?
No, do not get gas from
Spirit.
$3.99.
Yeah.
What?
That's
Ain't no
That's
way.
probably the best price you're getting.
That's
here.
the worst gas, bro.
This is probably the best gas you're gonna get.
No, go to Costco, bro. Let's go to Costco. It's your boy, Sir Smack, back at it again with another video. And look where we're at. We got the GPS going on right now. We got my buddy Sugi right there, right in front. And so, you know, we're actually gonna be going on a drive right now to Mount Loop, which is a very wonderful drive. There might be snow up there right now.
Continue on South Davies Road for 1 mile.
Yeah, so we still have a check engine light, but that's new. It's a MAF sensor being faulty. You know, I'll just have to probably clean it out with some MAF sensor cleaner. And I did order a new part, so I'm gonna get that installed myself. I'm gonna get the new video out there for you. Why are we braking here? Is it not braking zone? Downshift to second gear. All right, yeah, so there we go. Yups. Anyways, very thankful again to be back in my vehicle. I'm very happy that, you know, the Porsche is all okay to be driven now. There was cracked ignition coils, which was replaced. And what else was it? The battery positive cable was just submerged in water, unfortunately. So, got that fixed up. Right now we're just cruising, you know what I'm saying? Cruising. Yeah, dig. We got the Android right now being used for GPS.
In a quarter mile,
so,
turn left to stay on South Davies Road.
I'll get some good film for y'all, you know, for this drive. So here we are at the neighborhoods on the left side over here. We still got 22 minutes left. You know, it's not that far, but the mountains, you'll see it up there. We gotta zoom in like that much. Yeah, it's because I'm on the wide lens right now. Anyways, we are almost there. Speed trap right there. But yeah, we're 59,000 miles, almost to that 60,000. I gotta do my oil change here pretty soon. We got a roundabout coming up. But y'all see the tippy top mountains right there. It's just, when you look at, you know, mountains like that with peaks, it just reminds you of The Hobbit, you know, or Lord of the Rings with like Smaug and here. What the heck? Ethan, where are you taking us? Jeez. Interesting. So we're going through this like neighborhood here, and all right, so here we are technically going into the Mount Loop already. We have it here. We got a little rest stop right there. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun drive. So there's going to be a bridge coming up here really quickly. We got some people stopped over there. Road closed 20 miles ahead. Interesting. Is that what it said? It's where it said road closed. Oh jeez. Yeah, we got a little itty bitty windstorm back on my town, so you know, that's just how it is. But that's nature, you know. It is what it is. We got Ethan in the lead. Unfortunately, there's a car between us, but that's okay, you know. Keeps us pacing, right? I just put in some fuel system cleaner, so our MPGs is a little bit decent right now. Not too bad, but almost catching up to Ethan. Unfortunately, you know, he has a newer car. We have an older car, which is, you know, it's okay. Ooh, is that a Civic? Yeah. We're cruising. That's what matters. Look at those mountains, guys. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is just like, this is such a wonderful, you know, an incredible moment for people to be in when you're driving and, you know, you're going through these mountains. It's a wonderful moment here. I wonder if I can just like, yeah. Hopefully you all have a good angle where you can see me, and you know, the view is in the back. I'm keeping a 1 car length behind Ethan, so chilling, big chilling. Temps are looking normal. We got 16 minutes, 15 minutes. Oh my gosh, guys, this is just one. Yeah, we're packed technically, because, you know, I got, so like what I have packed is I got my coolant. I got my coolant packed. It's in the trunk, not the front. It's in the trunk. And so, you know, we have my coolant, we got oil, 1 quart of oil, coolant, and that's pretty much it. I did not bring my cleaning, my quick shine with me from McGuire's. So that's a no-no on that. But I just took it, oh look at that, another Subi. But I just took it to a car wash. So we just got back from a car wash actually. I got the spoiler activated up there as well. I'm gonna see if I can get it, you know. Yeah. And yes, my alignment is off. Oh, that was a big pothole. Look at this alignment, guys. This is just, you know, Porsche things, right? It is what it is. I ain't gonna complain. I'm just happy I'm in my car, you know. If you guys remember back in my old videos, we took a road trip here in my buddy's Kia Sorento it just did not last long. There's a lot of suspension issues, and he was not trying to pay for all that. So yeah, it's all done. So remember, in my past videos, we also took my buddy's WRX here, and we tried to get it up on the actual mountain itself, but you know, the holes were just too deep because his car was lowered. So I mean, I'm pretty sure that Subaru could make it up, but definitely not this Porsche. No, we're gonna baby this thing, right? All right, so the weather is slightly getting a bit rough here. Roads are still wet. A few logs over there. So far, so good. Here's the bridge. Bridge is coming up. Bridge is coming up. Here we go, guys. Here we are under the bridge. Let's go. Guys, look at this view over here. Oh my gosh. See, this is where our all-wheel drive would really come in handy. Carrera 4S or a Targa 4S, you know, holy shit. Yeah, like I know it doesn't seem I'm going that fast, but we're doing 653s to 60 average in, you know, a wet terrain, a wet asphalt, right? And so, you know, I don't have that much grip. The tires are heated up, but holy shit, this is, yeah, I gotta like apex like I did in my Honda Accord. We could mash through mountains on that thing, but you know, it's a slow in, fast out type of car, right? Slow in, fast out, right? All right, Subi, what you got? What you got? I took down the GPS, so I'm kind of running blind here. I don't remember the road this much. Oh, this car is smoking. What are our temps? Temps all good? Wonderful. Turn this off, unlock the car. Gotta unplug everything, turn off the heater. Just gotta let the, you know, avoid heat soak when we're doing that, but. Yo, how's the drive?
It was good.
I was explaining to the YouTube every time. You smell that right now? Or no, that's just exhaust, right? Yeah, that's just exhaust. So I was explaining to the people, like when we were going on the slight curves, I had to apex. Even though I was going like 53 miles an hour, bro, I can feel the rear end just like slipping it. Guys, this is such a wonderful view. Like, check this out. I have a tire pressure checker if you need, so.
I'm good.
Hell yeah, man.
There's no sign of it.
Look at that, a little battle scar right there. Oh my gosh, guys, this is just wonderful stuff. Like, you know, we're out here out in the mountains, and we got nice vehicles. Do people go swimming here or not?
I wouldn't. Look at it.
Yeah, that's tough. I mean, I can just imagine like, oh no, these are not good branches. Yeah, that's insane, guys. That's actually insane. Look at this vehicle. We got the two vehicles right there, and then just look at the fog, guys. This is crazy. Wow.